Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to view the sunrise and sunset time on your Casio PRG-240 watch. Now I'm using the PRG-240. This is basically the module 3246 watch, so if you've got a different color, as long as you've got one of the 3246s, this video should work for you. Also, if you have the 3173, which is basically the same watch, except instead of the light background in dark font, it has the inverted display. This video will work for any of the 3173 module watches as well. So before we look at sunrise and sunset times, the one thing you need to know is there's three things you have to have set correctly in order to get sunrise and sunset data that's valid for your location. You have to have your home city set correct, and you have to have the latitude and longitude for your home location set correctly. If those three things are wrong, or one of those three things is wrong, your sunrise and sunset data will not be right. I've done a video in the past that walks you through setting all of those. Once you've got all that set, to go to your sunrise and sunset data, it's really pretty simple. Now let's keep in mind what time it is. I'm in my main timekeeping display. It's 2:49 p.m. All we're going to do is press the mode button one time, and that will take us to the sunrise and sunset. There's a little pointer up there when you press mode that points to sunrise and sunset. And then it's pretty simple. Once you get in the screen, you're going to see a couple different things. You'll notice this blinking pointer here. What that's doing is it's showing me my current time. I can't remember even, I told y'all to remember it. It's 2:46 or 2:56. It's showing me my current time in 24-hour format. If you look at this dial around the side here, it starts at 0 and it goes to 24. The blinking pointer is between 14 and 16, which is basically saying it's almost 3 o'clock using 24-hour format. The reason it's giving you that pointer is because your current time doesn't display anywhere else on this screen. I've got my year up here, 2022, my month, September, my date, the 23rd. In the middle here is going to be your sunrise time for this date, and at the bottom is going to be your sunset time. So my sunrise time was 7:10 a.m. this morning. My sunset time is at 7:15 p.m. this afternoon. We've got a couple different pointers as well. The pointer to the left is showing me my sunset time in 24-hour format. The pointer to the right is showing me my sunrise time in 24-hour format. So basically, if you're somebody who likes using the 24-hour format, you're going to use the pointers and the dial around the side. If you want to see it in digital format, you'll just look at the digital values, with the exception of the current time value. Now, what if we want to see the sunrise and sunset for a different day? We can simply press the compass button or the altimeter button, and it will change our date. Now notice, when we change the date, we will lose the current time pointer. It only shows that if you're in your current date. So I'm going to go ahead and press the compass button. That will take me back a day. If I wanted to see my sunrise and sunset times for yesterday, that's what I'm looking at. Can go back as far as I want. If I want to go forward, maybe I'm going hunting or sightseeing or photography or something, and I want to go see, hey, what's the sunrise and sunset going to be on, I don't know, October 10th. Go as far as you want, and there's my sunrise and sunset values for October 10th for that, for my given location. I think you can go as far into the future as 2099, if I'm not mistaken. Pretty simple stuff. Once you're done looking at your sunrise and sunset values, I think if you leave it in the screen for a few minutes, it'll eventually kick you back out. You can always press the mode button a few times to get you back to your main timekeeping screen. Anyway, that's a quick look at how we look at the sunrise and sunset data on our Casio Protrek PRG-240. I hope the video helps.